Another fine vehicle offered by AutoQuest.
This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. It features an 8.1-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated seats, steering wheel mounted controls, a Bose stereo system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, alloy wheels, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and cruise control. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
AutoQuest is located at 5910 Corson Avenue South in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.